Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And if you remember the last video I just made on this, the gentleman sent me what he's trying to make. It needed some more help. And I came while I was waiting on his email. You could do a lot with this pattern, but this is what eventually he wanted to make. And because it's kind of perfect, in shape and everything's like, hold down the control button, take a straight line, have your snap tool on, hit the plus key on your keyboard and rotate that line 90 degrees, and then move this one to here, and then cut that line out. You want that one to be longer than the other one. I actually got that line too long, but it shouldn't really matter. Then take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and you've got this shape. It's pretty cool. Now, I've only done this one time, so bear with me if I get it a little backwards. I'm going to left click, right click, and I am going to Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to mirror it, and then I'm going to rotate it. It's already rotated, so I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. And then I actually got to mirror it the other way and actually mirror it back because I want these two curves like this. And then just take your point and go right there. And the reason for this is pretty cool. You've got these extensions that are going to make, so you just got to decide which way you want to do it. And I'm going to bring this one in to make sure I do it just like I did for the person, because I want it to be pretty close to the same. So let's get the zoom tool, and if you look, this one, I took the lines out of here, so like it's going through. You go around and then you take the lines going through this way and the lines going through this way. And of course, these lines are just there. Now, Control D and make a duplicate. Hold down the Control key and get to the two-sided arrow and do that. Grab them both or select them both. Control D, hold down the control button and move it down. Take your virtual segment delete key and delete these lines. And there you have an over-under, pretty cool design. It goes, it would be like a race car. And I'm going to try to take a little further, maybe later this afternoon, and put some either contour breakage or some shadow where it actually looks like it's going underneath. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.